Yep. There we go. Plenty of snow for you. Wish you were here enjoying it. It's only like, I think it's like 32, 34 degrees. I'll take you around the corner. I'll hold it up to the light so you can get a good look. It's just so bad it's coming down. There's hardly anybody on the roads. It's so bad. So this is our first official snowstorm, Brian. Aren't you glad you're missing it? Yeah, that was a plow truck going behind me. Right there. Anyway, glad you guys are down in Florida, enjoying the nice, warm, toasty weather. Oh, and I'm getting ready to head back into the house. I'm battling a bad cold. I don't like it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll chat with you real soon. Love you both. Bye.